Alright, this video is going to be centered around the bell cranks for the flaps. So you've got your two bell crank bushing brackets here. Again, long side down. We've talked about that in an earlier video. So we're going to make sure before we get too far along that these go in here smoothly. Sometimes when you weld or CAD plate something, you'll get a little burr or something in there. So just, you may have to run a 1/2-inch drill or a reamer through there just to kind of make sure these are in there smoothly rotating. There should be no resistance at all. So that's kind of where we're going to start. And then I'm going to assemble the bell housings here in a minute. All right, as we clock this top pulley with the bottom arm, this drawing here, which is SC119, kind of gives us that detail. So here's the assembly. I've already put on the at least for that front bell housing or bell crank, I've already put on this piece here, and I'll show you that over here. And we've already clocked everything, so when we're done, this tube will be, or this arm will be, if you draw a line straight from the center of that one through the center of this to the center of that one, that's where your clocking is going to be at, and that's shown in this drawing here at the top. So if you draw a line straight through that, through the center of the bushing to the center here, that'll give you your clocking, and that kind of tells you where to put these holes. Now the distance of the holes is driven by, you want to make sure those bushings are snug up against this. You don't want too much up and down movement. So when I put it in, I'll show you that the distance between those two bushings, the lever bushing and the pulley bushing, is spaced where this won't have much play in it. There's not much backlash at all. So next step is I'm going to put all this together, then I'll show you what it looks like when we're finished. Alright, this is installed. You'll notice that we don't have any up and down play, free moving. In the finished position, this curve here is going to face toward the leading edge. This is the left wing, but it'll be the same on the right wing. It'll just be out on that side. So this one's installed. The next one we're going to install is going to be this bell crank, both of which are for the slats. I'm just installing them together, and then we'll move to the flat bell cranks. Right, here's the flat round bell crank assembly. The alignment here is this goes through basically the center of these two holes, just center it up, and that's where you put your hole in the bearing tube. So when you're done, it'll be like that. So it'll be like that drawing right there. So I've assembled the bushings and the lever arm, and I'm going to put it in the wing now. Alright, flap. So the round bell crank is in, and I'm kind of multitasking here. So if you look, there's going to be a return cable that shoots through this rib, that rib, and it's going to connect these bell cranks together. So I went ahead and put those holes in. I'm also doing the cable runs, and we'll detail this out in the manual. You got 3 small ones coming in, 3. This one goes up a little larger, this one even larger, and that's going to pull on this crank here, and then these other 2 shoot through out to the aileron bell cranks, which is what I'm going to put on next. Okay, we got the flap bell cranks on, and now we got the aileron bell cranks on. there's nothing magical here, guys. You're just looking at the drawing and assembling per the drawing, and then putting it on the wing. So this bracket here is, there's a left and a right version, so I just mark them so I can keep up with them and do things. What I'm going to do next is find out there's a hole that's shooting between these two, and I'm going to find out what that is and pop it in there next. That'll get us set up for cable runs down the road, just to make sure everything's in the right location. All right, I've got some more hardware on. I got the spring. So the flaps are mainly spring returned. So this is the spring. It attaches here once we get the fuel tank in. But I've got the heme joints in, push rods in, in all locations. This is just your round pulley that your what you pull on this shoots up through here, pulls this. This actuates your flaps or your aileron. This is gonna do your spoilers when I get those set up. So this push rod here is for your spoilers. This push rod here is for the ailerons. Next step is I'm gonna put the aileron on, and then we can just see how everything makes up there. So next step, install aileron. All right, we got the bell cranks in, pulleys in, like we talked about. I hung the, thanks, son. I'm doing a video. That's my boy. So I got the aileron hung, got the board under it to hold it flat. So that puts this at some neutral point. Probably have to adjust this eventually, this rod. But if I run a string from this cable tie off to the bottom of this pulley, it's going to give me the point where I need to pop a hole between these. So that line there gives it to me in the, I guess the, I'll call that the Y direction. And then I'll go down to the height of this to give it to me in the Z. We'll pop a hole in there, put a grommet in it, and that'll give us the shoot point from this cable. It's gonna come around that, shoot up to here, and then this one will come straight through. So that'll be the, I'm not gonna put the cables on, I don't think, but at least that'll give me all the grommets and all the pulleys for the cables when we get ready for that point. All right, so we got that string, we got the grommet put in, so you can see this is going to pass through that, hit that top cable. This is the bottom cable will come running. It'll basically run all the way out the end over here. And then those two control your aileron. The third one, the only purpose of the third one is to provide the flap actuator. The flap down, the flap up is returned by spring. That's going to end this video. I'm going to call it bell cranks and aileron because that's basically what we got done. The next step, I think I'm going to try to put the flaps on.